Hello students, this is Ark Nayeshwar, your biology teacher. Today topic is endocrine system or hormonal system. So that is the main topic is hormones. So yesterday we discussed about the hormone, okay, hormone characters. What is this hormone? Nothing but we call it is a chemical substances and flow chart. I think everything completed yesterday topic, right? Yeah, continue the endocrine system or hormonal system. Endocrine system or hormonal system. So, what is a gland here means? It is a group of cell or tissue which produces a chemical substances in our body. Means some example salivary gland. Where is salivary gland present? In mouth. How many pairs? Three pairs are there. Yes or no? So this salivary gland, one gland, it is a group of cell or tissue. All we know how is the human body is made up of? Cell, a group of cell to form a tissue, a group of tissue to form a organ, a group of organs to form a organ system. Nothing but we call human body. Like that only, if any one gland, so how many glands are there? 10 glands are there. So every gland is a group of cell or tissue. What is the gland function? Produce chemical substances. So these are three types of glands are there. One is a exocrine gland, endocrine gland, dual glands. Exocrine gland. So these glands they have ducts. That glands we call ducts gland. So all exocrine gland. So this is the exocrine glands. It is called ducts gland. Endocrine gland, ductless gland means they don't have any ducts. That's why these endocrine system or hormonal system release chemical substances. These chemical substances directly release in a bloodstream. That's why endocrine glands we call ductless gland. Right. So DL. So in our body only one gland, that is a pancreas. These pancreas they perform sometimes exocrine, sometimes endocrine. That's why these pancreas we call it is a dual gland. So remaining all they have ducts. They have we call ducts gland. They don't have any ducts. That's what we call ductless gland. So see here, that is the dual gland is pancreas. There are around 10 glands distributed in our body. They produce hormones which are chemical messengers produced in a small quantity, and they have a specific effects on body function and on body organs. And so endocrine glands, how many glands are they? 10 glands. Every gland they have one specific tissue or specific site is present. This specific site or tissue, it is a chemical messengers. It is produced in a small quantities and they have a specific effects. Some example ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన కదా సెర్వరీ గ్లాండ్స్ అనుకున్నాం. ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి సెర్వరీ గ్లాండ్స్? ఇన్ ఏ మౌత్. వాటి ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటి? రిలీజ్ సలైవా. వెన్ టేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్, the food is mixed with saliva easily can passage through esophagus. అలాగే ప్యాన్క్రియాస్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ చూసామంటే మనము ప్యాన్క్రియాస్ ఉంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ప్యాన్క్రియాస్ ఫంక్షన్ హియర్? రిలీజ్ ఆఫ్ బైలస్, రైట్? అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద కిడ్నీ, అడ్రినల్ గ్లాండ్, టెస్టిస్, రిలీజ్ ఆఫ్ male gametes or sperm. So here ovary, release of ova. Means every gland they have one specific message and function is there, right? So this is the 10 glands are there. We'll discuss now 10 glands. First gland, pineal gland. What is the gland name? Pineal gland. So pineal gland, see here I gave already easy method. One is a location. Where is the location? What is a hormone? Means the gland release hormones. Yes or no? Every gland, 10 glands, every gland release hormone, right? So where is this gland is location place? What is a hormone name and what is the hormone function, right? You can easily understand about the topic. That's why I give you clearly location, hormone, function. So where is the pineal gland location? Near epithalamus. See here, this is the pineal gland. Near epithalamus. Epithalamus. So this is the hypothalamus down, epithalamus above. So nearly epithalamus contain the pineal gland. What is the pineal gland function? Sorry, what is the release of hormone name? Melatonin. So the pineal gland release hormone name melatonin. What is function of pineal gland or melatonin hormone function? It modulates awake or sleep patterns and regulates reproductive hormones. So they have two functions. One is the wake or sleep. So మన ఇద్దరం మేలుకుంటాం కదా, సో వేక్ ఆర్ స్లీప్, దీస్ టూ ప్యాటర్న్స్ అండర్ కంట్రోల్ బై melatonin hormone released by pineal gland. At the same time regulates reproductive hormones. So these pineal gland release the reproductive hormones. What is reproductive hormones? Male testosterone, female estrogen. These hormone, yeah, we'll discuss next also is there. Yeah, these hormones we call reproductive hormones under control by pineal gland, right? This is the first one, pineal gland. Second one, pituitary gland or master of the gland. So very very important question, pituitary gland. So pituitary gland or master of gland, where is location? Near hypothalamus. See the picture, this is the hypothalamus, this is the pituitary gland. So the pituitary gland is present near hypothalamus. So release these pituitary gland release of hormones. So pituitary gland is a release of 5 types of hormones are there. One is the trophic hormone, like gave clearly in a flow chart. One check it the flow chart. See here, pituitary gland release of growth hormones, trophic hormone, prolactin hormone, vasopressin hormone, and oxytocin hormone. So this pituitary gland releases 5 types of hormone. See first one, trophic hormone. So the trophic hormone are 4 types. One is the FSH, అంటే ఫిష్ కాదు, ఓకేనా. సో FSH మీన్స్ follicle stimulating hormone. Means follicle stimulating hormone అంటే nothing but we call it is a ovary. I think in female you can observe ovule, yes or no. So these ovary contain number of ovules are present, yes or no. So every month one ovule is released. So we call menstrual cycle. Yeah, we'll discuss in reproductive system. But here follicle stimulating hormone mean nothing but every ovary contain number of follicles. So that is called follicle stimulating hormone. Second one, LH, luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. Third one, ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. So ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. So this is the trophic hormones are 4 types: FSH, LH, ACTH and TSH. Second one, growth hormone, GH or somatotrophin hormone. Growth hormone or somatotrophin hormone. What is the somatotrophin or growth hormone function? Regulates normal growth of skeleton. So skeleton properly grow కావడానికి with the help of growth hormone. Nothing what we call somatotrophin. So over secretion causes gigantism. అంటే ఎక్కువ సెక్రేషన్ అయినా ఇట్ ఇస్ ద పీపుల్ ఈస్ వెరీ టాల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వీ కాల్ gigantism అంటాం. లిటిల్ సెక్రేషన్ అంటే తక్కువ రిలీజ్ అయింది అనుకోండి గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్. డ్వార్ఫిజం, పొట్టిగా ఉంటారు కదా, ఐ థింక్ జబర్దస్త్లో నరేష్ ఉంటాడు, మనం చూసాం కదా, యా షార్ట్, దట్ పొట్టిగా ఉంటాం కదా, దట్ పీపుల్స్ వీ కాల్ డ్వార్ఫిజం అంటాం. gigantism అంటే వెరీ టాల్. I think Prabhas is 6.5, I don't know. Okay. So above the 6.5 means 7 feet, 7.5 feet, like that. So because of over secretion, little secretion, depend on the growth hormone or somatotrophin hormone. Third one, prolactin hormone. So prolactin hormone is a stimulates mammary glands to secrete milk in a woman after childbirth. Yes or no? So childbirth, after that the baby need milk. So mother it give milk for babies with the help of this hormone only, prolactin hormone. Fourth one, ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic diuretic hormone or vasopressin hormone. ADH or vasopressin hormone. It controls the volume of blood by regulating the amount of water reabsorbed by kidneys. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్తున్న కిడ్నీ ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ సిస్టమ్. Yeah, in the kidney contain nephron system is there. The nephrons are reabsorb the useful salts or materials, right? So these vasopressin always to control the volume of blood. Means it is not decrease. I think hemoglobin, it is a decrease or increase or normal depend on the vasopressin hormone. Oxytocin, last one, oxytocin. It helps in women during డెలివరీ టైం. సో ఎక్కువ ప్రెగ్నెంట్ టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ డెలివరీ టైంలో బేబీ చుట్టూ మొత్తం అంటే ప్రాపర్లీగా బేబీ డెలివరీ కావడానికి విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిటోసిన్ హార్మోన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పిట్యూటరీ గ్లాండ్, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. పిట్యూటరీ గ్లాండ్ ఆర్ మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ది గ్లాండ్. హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్? సో వెర్ ఇస్ ద లొకేషన్? నియర్ hypothalamus. So how many hormones are there? 5. One is a trophic hormone, growth hormone, prolactin hormone, and vasopressin hormone or ADH. And the fifth one, oxytocin hormone. So this is the okay. Remaining 8 hormones we'll discuss tomorrow. So I think very easy topic only. Already I gave the location, hormone, functions. Right, students? Thank you.